Kitty, I'm Nanny Julie, nice to see you. Today we're gonna draw a cute koala. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and you won't miss my new lessons. Now let's look at the picture. We can see the head, the ears, the body and the paws. Let's look at the picture one more time. Head, ears, body and paws. Now let's start drawing. The first step we're gonna draw is the head. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will start over here right in the middle and draw a big circle. Come around, come back up to the top and connect it. Oh, you're doing great! I like your circle. Now let's draw big C shape on the left side for ear. C shape and the backward C shape on the right side for another ear. Then let's draw a curve on the left side. I start over here and draw a curve on the left side and the same thing on the right side. Oh, you're doing great! Then let's connect this end with head with some curves on the left side and the same step on the right side. Now let's draw two dots for eyes, big oval in the middle for nose, and let's color it. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. Now let's draw a mouth. Draw short vertical line under the nose, then curve under this line and another curve under this curve and small curve inside for tongue in the mouth, and let's color this part of mouth. Let's add some hair, 3 curves on the top of the head. Now let's draw the body. Draw diagonal line on the left side, then draw another diagonal line on the right side, then horizontal line between, then on the left side, on the right side, and connect with this line here and here. Then let's draw the paws. Draw backwards G shape on the left side and G shape on the right side. Then let's draw belly in the middle and draw U shape. Then let's add some details. 3 short strokes in the middle over here, then in the ear, 1, 2, 3, and over here, 1, 2, 3. Our drawing is almost ready. Now let's color it together. You can choose any color you like. Now I choose pink and draw the blush. Draw a stars on the left side and on the right side. Then I choose another pink for this part of ear. Tracing. and coloring inside. We try to carefully and accurately color inside this form. Then we're tracing again on the right side. Let's try to carefully trace along the pencil line and coloring inside. Try to color over completely from edge to edge so that the white lines on the paper are not visible. Then I choose red for tone, tracing and coloring inside. Then I choose light gray for this part of body. And dark gray for head, ears and body. Tracing again. And coloring inside. Let's try to carefully trace along the pencil line and not go beyond the line. We try to carefully and accurately color inside this form. We trace around the edge again, try not to go beyond the line. Try to color over completely from edge to edge so that the white lines of the paper are not visible. Don't rush, quietly we will color everything together with you. Tracing and coloring inside. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. Don't rush. Quietly, we will color everything together with you. Tracing again. The first step is tracing. The next step is coloring inside. Use short strokes. Let's try to carefully trace along the pencil line and not go beyond the line. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. If you missed a spot, fill it in with color. Wow, wonderful drawing! I like your koala. I hope you had a lot of fun coloring and drawing with me. Try my other videos, YouTube channel Nanny Julie. You, dear parents, can download and print my cute coloring page. All links in the description under the video. See you! Bye bye!